This is a video for Jack down in Nacogdoches. This is pretty what you do if you're just getting ready to start one up, whether it's been sitting for a while or not. They like oil, make sure you get everything oiled. I always make sure you put some on the push rod, both sides. A lot of times I'll drill a hole here with a little divot, and that way you make sure it's oiled. Always oil the rocker arm. The two valves, make sure you oil them and push them in. And the rock exhaust valve, make sure you open the needle valve too, or it won't start. And run about one time and quit. The trip there, okay, the governor spindle right there. And back behind here, there's a thing for the push rod. On the cam gear, there's a little hole. And there's usually a little hole on the roller there, but there wasn't one on this one. I don't know why. But there's a little, just make sure you get some oil on each side of it. And then right there, there's a little hole for the detent and all that. I'm going to put a little on top also. Okay, that's that. And this is chainsaw bar oil. Now I use that on the main gears because it stays on a lot longer and works better. Okay. Now, I make a little plug because I can't turn it. The proper way to start it is you hold your hand over the carburetor. Well, first, okay, it's just fired. Let's see. Just get it past firing. Then my arms are weak, so right after you get the click, then that generally will get gas up to it. Yeah, see, there's gas in the carburetor right now. So I always leave the choke open just a little bit. And prime it. And it should be ready to go. Putting it all down there. You can slow it down a little bit. Anyway, that's all you do to start it up. And on the oiler, I didn't put it in there, but I've ran it enough lately, it's oiled up pretty good. This 30 weight oil or 40, whatever, 4 to 5 drops a minute will be just fine. And there you go. And if you ever want to slow it down, there's a spring right in here. Pull them governor weights, put a little softer spring and run slower. Or you can make a stiffer spring and make it run faster. But here's your grease cups for them. Just turn them and that's it. Anyway, later guys.